Alright guys, good morning. It is the next day, or however I decided to make this video. It's the first day, and we're going to be taking off Nids's lovely Volt TE37's for some ceramic coating. Let's do it, Sylvia. Aren't you excited? Are you? Okay, she's not. Sorry guys. And I'm going to show you guys the tar spots when I flip it around, because there's some real heavy tar on there. But we have a tar removal product which we will be using, and that's pretty much it. So let's wipe it down. Bit of Bowdens Own Tar. This is really good stuff actually. I've been wanting to use this stuff for ages, had no results from it, but since following the instructions, it works pretty damn well. So let me show you guys the tar. So we got a bit there, and a smidge there, which the camera can pick up. Beautiful. And that's all that's on the front of the face. Try to see. I have to wipe under there as well. But yeah, it's quite a few little dots of tar. That actually looks like metal. But yeah, we got a few tar dots here. We got a big old one there. And there's just a lot of like little bits of tar. So obviously the plan is to remove all that. So what we're going to do is tar, shake it up a bit, and just probably lay 2 sprays onto there. I think that was the only stuff off the front, and probably 2 sprays onto there, 2 sprays onto that. What else? We got a bit. Oh wow, there's actually a decent amount here, eh? I wonder if this is on the front or rear. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's already starting to bleed it a bit, which is good. So it's just shifting off that stuff. Once again, I don't know if this is tar, but yep, it is. Sweet. And yeah, we'll just let that set and do its thing. We'll give it probably about a minute. Yeah, it's starting to lift it off a bit. And that's pretty much it. We just spray a bit into here, and we spray it off. And then we wipe it off. Let's try a wipe away. Grab this and just wipe it away like that. Oh, look at that. Comes straight off. Beautiful. Actually, there is still a bit on there, which I might. There we go. Now she's off. I'll show this side. With the bigger stuff, we may need to spray on more. So wipe and spray on more. So we just. No, that's lifted all of it off quite nicely. Beautiful. Grab that one. No, that's what I need. Definitely need a bit more. Yep, gonna need a bit more. We'll quickly wipe up that, and we'll try and wipe that up. Oh, look at that. That's gotten rid of a lot of it. These guys up here, which we'll just wipe back. Wipe this guy back. Yep, it's got a rid majority of it. Now this big boy, let's see if we can get him off. Oh, look at that. Let's do our first go. Beautiful. Some Plush prep. Righto, just like that, we've used all the C5 wheel armour. Enough for 2 coatings for the facings, and 1 for the inside of the barrel too. So yeah, we'll let this bad boys cure. We'll let them sit overnight, then we'll pop them out tomorrow morning onto the car, and happy days. Alright, so plan today, guys, is we will be reassembling Nathan's S2000, so chucking on the wheels and the rear carbon diffuser as well. Got to give it a quick wash, and we're actually going to use the Bead machine, which is a relatively new Bowdens Own. product, which is basically it's not ceramic coating, but it gives the same effects. And Bead machine loves carbon fiber, from what I've been told anyway. No, yeah, and once again, the interior's not too bad. It's just, you know, it's just a tad dusty. So that's the plan. Also, real quick life hack: if you are washing in the morning and it's cold, boil some water. It will save your hands from freezing. All right, let's get to it. So I thought it'd be worth showing real quick a before and after of using the Bowdens Own bead machine. So this is a before, so you can see the bonnet. It sheets off very slowly and it pulls off very slowly as well, which is still good, but not great because it's still sticking to the surface. You can kind of see, you know, that seems to run off a lot faster, but hold on, let's see like, yeah, so see how much faster that runs off compared to that. Like, that's still sticking and slowly sheeting, where this just immediately runs off. So yeah, so it should be interesting to see how bead machine helps out with this, and also helps out with this as well. So let's keep going. That's it, guys, we're all done. Just gonna let the tyre gel set for a bit, and it's all ceramic coated. Well, to be fair, it doesn't need to set, it can actually be pretty much used straight away. But yeah, she's looking very, very clean. I'll message my mate to see if he's ready to, if I can drop it off to him. And yeah, the interior's looking a lot happier too, much happier. So that's good. All right, ceramic coating test number 1. Alright, here we go, guys. Wow, that missed up so nicely. Just see how I drove. Not bad at all. Grab a cloth. Just give it a quick wipe down. Nice easy wipe down. Wow, I'm interested to see how this stuff goes over the next few months. Because I know it's kind of get driven every day, but still it is interesting to see the long-term effects of this ceramic coating. Oh, hey Sylvia, how are you? But yeah, so that's that. Yeah, look at that beads up straight away. Don't know if you guys recall before, and just run straight off. So from what we saw before, it just sheeted off slowly, but now it's got a bead machine on there, it's actually protecting it. It just runs straight off. Not bad, eh? Not too shabby at all. Yeah, so look, definitely in hindsight, I should have sprayed on some more of the bead machine, but we'll see how it sucks up. Yeah, look, in hindsight, I should have probably sprayed some more on there, but it was hard to gauge how much to spray. But, hey, not bad at all. Not bad.